Dear students, in this video lecture, you will be learning the effect of arc resistance on reach of reactance relay. Let us consider once again the reactance relay characteristic, which is used for protection of transmission line section AB. That means during the fault, if impedance of transmission line goes down below point B, then the relay will operate because the reactance corresponding to any point on section AB of transmission line will be within the trip region. For example, if fault happens to be, say, at point X, small x I have written here, the corresponding reactance is found here. This reactance is lesser than set reactance of relay. Therefore, relay will operate. If a fault having arc resistance occurs at the point B, that is at the end of protected zone, then the fault resistance has to be shown parallel to the resistance axis from the point B. Let us say this is fault resistance. So the impedance of transmission line now gets modified from AB to AC because fault resistance is added. But it may be observed that the corresponding reactance is still equal to Xn only. It has not changed. The reactance has not increased. So the reactance relay will be on the verge of operation. Similarly, we can imagine the fault at point X with fault resistance. Fault resistance is to be added to the impedance of line parallel to resistance axis. Then the impedance of the fault section becomes, say, AF, but the corresponding reactance of the new impedance is still within the reach of reactance relay. Similar to one in previous case. If a fault occurs outside the protected zone, say at point D, and has a fault resistance then this fault resistance is to be added to the fault impedance, due to which the impedance of transmission line gets modified under fault to AE. But it may be seen that the corresponding reactance is more than Xn. Therefore, the reactance relay will not operate, which means that due to fault resistance or arcing resistance, the reactance relay won't mal-operate. That is why the reactance relay is considered to be superior in performance over simple impedance relay.